Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Nikki. Nikki is here 1 year after her procedure here at Natural Transplants. And I'm going to put some before pictures on there. They're going to blow your mind in terms of how she looks today versus how she came in. But Nikki, I wanted to thank you so much, first of all, for doing the video and paying it forward and showing your process, your journey. And I wanted to ask you, how the journey was. How do you feel about your results? And what have people been saying about your hair?
Oh my goodness. I feel fantastic about my results. The way that I'm wearing my hair today, I would have never, ever have done this prior to. The fact that I'm showing my before and after or current, everyone is astonished. And they want to know where I went. First of all, they didn't even know that my hair looked like that prior to, because I was always covering it with a wig, a headband of some sort, because I was afraid to go out with my hair flying, being gone.
Right.
And now I don't have that fear anymore.
That's right. In fact, you told me today you actually, for the first time, wore your hair back in a ponytail and are just rocking the ponytail, nothing else. Right.
Oh, nothing. Headband. And my daughter even said, "Mom, look at your hair. It's so pretty. You don't have a headband on. You have it in a ponytail in this natural state." So
awesome.
Yes, definitely. Beautiful thing.
Would you do it again if you could, looking back in time?
Oh,
okay.
Yes.
Fantastic.
And I went in and church. I'm glad I was able to follow those before me who came and showed me the process of what to expect. When I went through the process with your office, it was 100% the same as what I researched, and it was an experience out of this world. I felt no pain.
Good.
I was comfortable. I fell asleep during the procedure, while you were doing it.
Right.
And the next day, I back home. So
awesome. And you flew out. You flew in to have this procedure done, right? Yeah. So traveling wasn't too bad with the, everything, right? Okay. No. I apologize to our viewers. Go ahead.
FaceTime me when I got home to make sure I was okay. So
That's right.
We're good to go.
Awesome. Let's model your hair for a little bit. I do apologize to the viewers for the choppy video. I think there's some storms coming through on our end here, but let me have you turn, first of all, chin down if you would, and just hold it there for a couple seconds. And perfect. And then let's have you slowly turn to one side or the other and just hold it. Look at that. Look how natural that looks. She was going from essentially zero hair in that area. So you can see this is a perfect example of what maybe 30 to 35% looks like going from zero. It's certainly more than enough to wear a ponytail. Look how it reframes her face in such a natural way. I think she's even putting some gel or some kind of styling product in there, which makes it look even thinner. So even if it was dry, she could probably make it look a little fuller. But look at that difference. Could turn a little bit more all the way, a full turn. There we go. I'm going to put your side-by-side pictures. Unbelievable, the difference. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Thank you so much for showing your hair and paying it forward. I guarantee you this will help somebody out in their decision process.
It was worth it. It was so worth it.
Excellent.
Invest
in yourself. That's right. And to know that this is permanent too, it's just cool, so. Yeah.
Not going anywhere.
Exactly. We talked a little bit about, being able to do a second pass if you wanted a second coat of paint on the wall. But honestly, at this point, enjoy your hair. She's going to wait on that and kind of see how things go. The hair is always there if she ever wants to. But I told her, even if she never had another pass, this is a home run. She's able to wear her natural hair, which is a goal from any surgery. So thanks, Nikki. Thanks for showing it off. Okay. Take care. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.